Qingdao Tongsan Plastic Machinery Co. Limited was established in 1997 as a professional plastic machinery manufacturer situated on the prosperous Jiaozhou Bay, is exclusively specializing in designing and manufacturing a great variety of plastic machinery. With national scientific manpower, our company is engaged in the researching of late-model plastic machinery, the conversion of the international advanced technology, and cooperation with the research institutes and universities to provide plastic machinery with high performance and high technology. The main product of our company is PP hollow sheet extrusion machinery, plastic single wall corrugated pipe machinery, plastic double wall corrugated pipe machinery, PE water supplying pipe machine, PVC water supplying pipe machine, recycled plastic pelletizing machine, WPC profile machine, WPC board machine, WPC foaming board line, and our products have obtained CE certificates. For the future, Tongsan proposes the development strategy of making a priority to develop international business, comprehensively promoting domestic business to face the two markets, employ two kinds of resources, change development mode, and promote transformation and upgrading, and in creating customer satisfaction projects to maximize shareholders' benefits and pursue the growth of both organization and staff. All the staff of our company adheres to the principle of trust is a root, client is God, high quality is first, service is best, that we want to do business with the people all over the world on mutual benefit.